Hello? Hello? Is anybody there? Where am I? Good morning, Augustus. How do you know my name? Old Bluegrass and Susie told me. Where is Susie? What did you do with her? Relax, we didn't do anything. Come on, I'll show you where they are. Hey, Susie. Oh, hi, Bluegrass. So, do you like it here so far? Yeah, it's really beautiful. But where did all the snow go? It, was gone in one day. Well, it does that sometimes. We have really long summers and springs, but really short winters. But the winters are so short that it's really bad, and it gets really harsh. Oh. Yeah. It's weird, huh? Yeah, it sure is. Where's Augustus? Oh, Arrow's watching him. So he should be awake in a couple of hours or so. Susie, we gotta get out of here. Augustus, why? There's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong, may I remind you? We don't know her. My name is Bluegrass. Thank you very much, Augustus. Susie, we gotta get out of here. Augustus, there's nothing wrong here. It's beautiful. And we don't have to keep on moving. We could live here. What? Susie, going on this adventure, as you call it, was your idea. Now you want to quit? Where are you guys going? None of your concern. Okay then. Susie, come on. We gotta keep on moving. Augustus, I want to stay here. Susie, what is the matter with you? What's the matter with you, Augustus? We meet really nice horses all along the path the whole time, and all you do is push them away. What do you have against horses? I don't have anything against horses, okay? Come on. We're going. Goodbye, Bluegrass. Thank you for your help. You're welcome, Susie. You know, you don't have to obey him. He's not your master. You're your own master. I know, but he's my friend. Thank you again for this. You're welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye, Aaron. Goodbye, Susie. Augustus, what is the matter with you? What do you mean? What's the matter with me? What's the matter with you? Augustus, I thought you were nice. I thought you were kind. That's why we're going to that place. Where nice horses go. Kind, gentle horses. You belong with the humans. How dare you say that, Susie? You know what? I'm gonna go alone. I don't deserve being with you. You're just selfish. What is the matter with him? Something's changed about him. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna find out. My king, we have returned. Ah, good work, Mongammon. How many horses did you get? We found as many as we could, sir. Get them ready. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 horses. We're outnumbered. I gotta find Bluegrass. Bluegrass. Oh, hey, Lightning. Where have you been all day? Bluegrass? Yeah, Lightning? I saw the Dark Forest King's assistant. Mongammon? Yes. They're building an army. An army? Yes. There are 8 horses, Bluegrass. We're outnumbered. We'll never make it. Then we must get an army of our own. Where are Susie and Augustus? Oh, they left. I know where some might be, but it's gonna be hard to get them. Why? Where are they? The slaughterhouse. Lightning, I think you should go in there and get the horses. Why me? Well, you are the smallest. True. And me and Apache will watch the doors. Yeah. Okay. Good luck, Lightning. Thank you, Bluegrass. And good luck to you, too. You ready, Apache? Ready. Hey, guys. Guys, hey. Huh? Who are you? My name is Lightning, and I'm here to get all of you out. But you have to help us. Who's us? Me and my friends. We're gonna fight a battle. A battle? Yes. Will you help us? If you get us out of here, yeah. It's better than dying. Alright. Come on, this way. Hey, guys. Yeah? There's a horse that just came by. She's gonna break us out. Alright, let's go. But there's one catch. A catch. Yeah. What is it? We have to fight in a battle. If it'll get us out of here. That's what I said. Let's go. Come on. Alright, I'll tell the others. Oh, thank you. We are all forever in your debt. Oh, it's okay. It was our pleasure. So, what's your name? My name is Grace. Thank you for coming with us and helping us. It was our pleasure. Thank you for saving us. Alright, we've got to get ready for the battle. Are you able to fight, Grace? Yes, I believe we're all able to fight. Alright, let's go. We don't have much time. The battle raged on for hours. Sister fighting sister, brother fighting brother. Many good horses were struck down by the forces of evil. None of us were expecting what would happen. Prepare to die, Dark Forest King. Ah! Bluegrass, is that you? Apache, help me! But it was too late by the time Apache got to Bluegrass. She'd already died. Oh, Bluegrass. Bluegrass, no. You can't die. No. Apache. Bluegrass, you're alive. Apache, I'm here, Bluegrass. I'll always be here for you. I love you. I love you too, Bluegrass. I always have. No, Bluegrass. You can't die. Bluegrass? Bluegrass. Oh my God. Come on. We can fix these wounds. We can. We can fix it.